स्टूडेंट, इंडियन बैंकिंग सिस्टम में आज लास्ट टॉपिक है आपका 5th यूनिट का, और पूरी की पूरी यूनिट रिजर्व बैंक पर थी। ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट चल रहे हैं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, इसके बारे में पीछे डिस्कस किया। आज का टॉपिक है लिमिटेशंस ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी। द फॉलोइंग आर द मेन लिमिटेशंस ऑफ द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी adopted by the Reserve Bank. See, first is limited scope of monetary policy in economic development. Number 2, limited role in controlling prices. Number 3 है poor banking habits. Number 4, underdeveloped money market. 5, existence of black money. Next, conflicting objectives. Number 7, lack of coordination with fiscal policy. Number 8, limitations of monetary instrument. Number 9, lack of banking facilities. और 10, persuasive policy. नेक्स्ट, इम्बैलेंस इन क्रेडिट एलोकेशन। और लास्ट है आपका पुअर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। स्टूडेंट, ये लिमिटेशंस थी इसकी कुछ, अब इनको 1 बाय 1 करके डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसे नंबर 1 है लिमिटेड स्कोप ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। ये एक लिमिटेशन है मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी की। इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक तरीके से लिमिटेड उसका एरिया है। In reality, the monetary policy has been assigned only a minor role in the process of economic development. The Reserve Bank is not given any predominant role in the process of economic development. Reserve Bank is just expected to see that the process of economic development should not be hindered for want of availability of adequate funds. The decision regarding currency to the printed of dictated by Finance Ministry to RBI. So RBI has little control over the supply of money. Number 2, limited role in controlling prices. The monetary policy of Reserve Bank has played only a limited role in controlling the inflationary pressure. Prices are affected by many factors. Many factors, money supply is only of them. Other factors are beyond the control of monetary policy. Number 3, poor banking habits. An important limitation of monetary policy is poor banking habits of Indian masses. People in India prefer to make use of cash rather than check. This means that a major portion of the cash generally continues to circulate the economic without coming the banks in the form of deposit. This reduces the credit creation capacity of the bank. Number 4, underdeveloped money market. Another limitation of monetary policy in India is underdeveloped money market. Money market is the market where government securities, treasury bill, RBI securities, etc. are purchased and sold. The weak money market limits the efficient working of the monetary policy. The money market comprises of two parts: the organized money market and unorganized money market. The monetary policy works only in organized money market. Number 5, existence of black money. Existence of black money in economy limits the working of the monetary policy. The black money is not recorded since the borrowers and lenders keep their transactions secret. Government cannot regulate the black money in accordance with the objective of monetary policy. So effectiveness of monetary policy is reduced. Issue number 6, conflicting objectives. It means an important limitation of monetary policy arises from its conflicting objectives. To achieve the objective of economic development, the monetary policy is to be expansionary, but contrary to it, to achieve the objective of price stability or to curb inflation, money supply has to be contracted. The monetary policy generally fails to achieve a proper balance between these two conflicting objectives. So number 7, lack of coordination with fiscal policy. If monetary policy and fiscal policy are not coordinated with each other, then they may go against the objective of each other. If fiscal policy involves huge deficit financing, then efforts of money policy to control money supply will fall. Deficit financing here means printing of more notes by the RBI to give loan to the government. Printing of more notes leads to increase in the money supply. RBI cannot regulate the deficit financing, which affects money supply considerably. Issue number 8, limitations of monetary instrument. An important limitation of monetary policy is related to inherent limitation of various instruments of credit control. The margin requirement of loans are already so high that the scope for further increase in them is limited. If CRR and SLR, cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio, are fixed high, then it will badly affect the profitability of banks. Similarly, if CRR and SLR are kept low, then it will increase the risk of banks. The limitation of monetary instrument hamper the smooth working of monetary policy. Number 9, lack of banking facilities. Banking facilities are not available in some remote areas of the country, so monetary policy cannot regulate credit in such areas. In such areas, indigenous banks operate which are not regulated by the monetary policy. जिस एरिया जिस शहर में बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है, उस वजह से भी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी सही तरीके से लागू नहीं पाती। नेक्स्ट, परसुएसिव पॉलिसी, सम क्वालिटेटिव इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ क्रेडिट कंट्रोल like moral persuasion, loans for priority sector and loans for weaker section, etc., are only persuasive and not compulsive in nature. The banks do not consider these measures seriously. Student number 11, imbalance in credit allocation. The monetary policy ignores the interest of agriculture sector, the small scale industries, यानी लघु उद्योग. Agriculture does not get the required institutional finance because of lack of sufficient security. Consequently, it has to be depend upon indigenous money lenders to a considerable extent for its credit needs. Farmers have to pay high rate of interest to the indigenous bankers. The monetary policy has resulted in the imbalance in credit allocation. So next or last, poor implementation. Banks do not coordinate with RBI in implementing the monetary policy, so it hinders the success of monetary policy. Monetary policy of the Reserve Bank suffers from many limitations. It requires the improvement of the many directions. Successful application of monetary policy is not merely a question of availability of instrument of credit control. स्टूडेंट, इसी के साथ ये मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी की लिमिटेशंस फिनिश होती हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.